It's a far walk. I hope this is the right.
Hi, sir. Hi.
Oh, this is the correct house.
All right. Good.
And this is Luciano's brother? Okay, so he's one of the, I think, a few different brothers. But anyway, we kind of heard about them, or Richie did. They were trying to barter corn for rice the other day. Is that corn all from your cornfield?
Gikan ni sa inyong maisan, te. Ako man siyang giingnan nga nakibalo kang ate og humay ba. Yeah.
So they have plenty of corn, but they wanted to trade for some rice. So
Because the kids, she said, the kids
are
like
starting to get sick of
rice.
corn. Yeah. So we brought them 2 sacks of rice. Well, here they are. So hopefully you guys can enjoy that with change it up a little bit. I know sometimes eating the same thing over and over can get a little bland.
Ano sa pangan si mga Jan. Ikaw daw? Noel. Ikaw daw? Sa pangan mo daw? Romel. Ikaw daw? Jane.
Mary Jane ito, Dad.
Mary Jane. Og si? Mercy.
Alright! Mayong buntag! To, Kuya,
Romeo Amanya.
Romeo Amanya, and Ate, Emalyn, and their daughter, what's your name, Inday? Mary Jane. Good morning, and let me introduce to you for our translator for today. Pasok! Sit down, translator, show your face. What's your name, translator?
Pedro Adoptante.
Oh,
Amigo na ko by Romeo.
so, Kuya Romeo, naay mo hatag kaninyo og kwarta, duha ka tawo gikan sa gawas sa nasod.
Daghang salamat.
Ang una, akong basahon ilang pangalan. 90 USD from Chris Holland. Another 100 USD from Alex. So, this money from Chris Holland and Alex. So, here's the money, Kuya Romeo, and let the translator hand it to you.
Thank you. Nice.
Okay. You give it to them, translator, and count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000.
Oh,
800 pesos. 10,000.
so total of
Total 10,800.
10,800 pesos. Alright.
Daghang salamat.
So, Kuya Romeo, unsa may ganahan nimong istorya, Kuya? Binisaya lang, Kuya.
Daghang salamat, Sir Alex, sa imuhang kwarta nga gihatag na mo dire ni Risolan
Alex and Chris Holland.
from Alex
And Chris Holland.
and Risolan.
Okay. So, padayon, Kuya.
Daghang salamat, Sir, sa imuhang kwarta nga imuhang gitabang rin namo, Sir, kay ako, Sir, usalang ko kapobre nga magsasaka lang og lubi. Ikaduha, unom akong anak, 4 ang estudyante. Daghang salamat, Sir, o kining kwarta nga gihatag mo rin mo, Sir. Kaya palit ko ning pagkaon sa akong mga bata o pangbahon sa eskwelahan o gamit, Sir. Daghang salamat.
Alright.
Advance Merry Christmas, Sir.
Alright. So, he said, thank you very much, Sir Alex and Chris Holland, for the huge blessings for today. And he said it can help them for their foods and other things for school. And alright, so let's have Ate, his wife. Ate, masay ganahan mo istorya ni mo, Ate? Masay ganahan mo, Ate? Oh, kahilakon si Ate. So, again, they said they appreciate it very much. And to Sir Alex and Chris Holland, thank you for making them happy. Look at them. We are very, very, very happy. Alright, so how about you, translator?
Okay.
Do you want to say something? Kay istorya?
Okay, wala na.
Only, okay?
Manata na.
That's all? Alright, so, dungan,
Malipay na akong
dungan,
Daghang salamat, Alex,
Chris,
Chris,
Olan.
Olan.
Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dad.